daily running of the vessel. Some cases sometimes more serious than others. Yesterday we had the bow thruster break on us, which is very integral to the operation of the vessel. We've flown around the Western Cape and there's not one slipway for us to come out in 3 to 4 months. So we had to figure out another plan. So that's what we've done, is we've taken off the bottom plate of the bow thruster, put a big rubber gasket on here, closed cell foam. We're going to dive down there, put silicone on there, goop it up, shove it onto the bottom of the thruster, strap it up with a ratchet strap, and carry on the repairs by retrieving the thruster through the inside of the boat, instead of, as we had planned or need to do in theory, is to drop it out the bottom of the boat when the boat's out of the water. Belly of the bow of the boat, about to lift the hydraulic pump, see if our MacGyverism is working. Hey, let's see what's working perfectly, huh? Yeah. Excellent.
It's just okay.
Alright! Woo!
That's the function that side.
Well, 100% waterproof.
Completely.
That is how you remove a bow thruster without taking the boat out of the water.